Let me ask you something. Have you heard of Google? If yes, well, then there's a good chance you use it for searching. Google is, after all, the biggest and most rewarding search engine out there. Each day, more than 6 billion searches are made through Google. Google, and this is a growing number. But did you know that Google can be used to make money? A lot of money. In fact, you didn't. Well, you will now, because that's what we're going to discuss in today's video. We're going to tell you about a method with which you will be able to make hundreds and hundreds of dollars through Google every day. That's right. And doing so will be quite easy. If you want to know about the site that will pay you hundreds of dollars every day, be sure to stay till the end, or otherwise you might skip an important step and end up making no money. So without further ado, let's get started. The first step for you to make hundreds and hundreds of dollars through Google is to head to Shrinkly.io. It's a site that assists users with shortening the URLs of another site. The most astounding element of this site is that individuals who abbreviate their URLs from this site are paid with real money. The pay varies from location to location and is usually between $2.50 to $22 per 1,000 views. You can even share the shortened URLs on your social media blog, website, YouTube channel, or some other social network and earn money each time your visitors click on the abbreviated URLs. The site is worldwide available and anybody can join it for free and start making money. It also supports a wide range of payment methods so that no one anywhere can be left unpaid. To begin, you are required to enroll at the site through email and confirm your email address. You will likewise need to tap on the I agree to terms of use and privacy policy choice and afterward click register. Then, at that point, you will receive an email in your email ID for confirmation from Shrinkly, and it will contain a connection that you should snap to affirm your email address. Then your account will be activated and you will be ready to shorten and share URLs to earn money. After confirmation, you need to sign in with your specific email address and password. As you will join, you'll get a $1 bonus. This process is fairly simple and will not require more than a few minutes. After logging in, head to the site's homepage and you will observe different options that can be utilized as tools to use for shortening the URLs. These options include Quick Link, Full Page Script Mask, Shrinker Developers API, and Bookmark. Using these options, users treat duplicate URLs from different networks, abbreviate the connections URLs on Shrinkly.io, and glue them on their significant pages, destinations, or social media accounts. Assuming that they get an adequate measure of traffic on their short connections, the users are paid. The more traffic you get, the more clicks there will be, and the more clicks there will be, the more money you'll get paid. If you are one of those people who have hundreds of thousands of followers or subscribers, you might get a lot of clicks, meaning a lot of money. Like most URL shortener sites, Shrinkly likewise pays you on premise of the CPM technique. CPM is a short type of cost per thousand, which is a compensation rate that pays you each 1,000 visits. The compensation rate fluctuates from one country to another. The most significant compensation rate is $22 per 1,000 visits in Greenland, and the least compensation is 2.50 cents per 1,000 visits in Egypt. ContractMe is accessible internationally, and its compensation rate changes because of commercial pay. Since you will procure based on visits, just tapping the connection isn't counted. The guest should arrive at their objective and view for somewhere around 10 seconds after you click the connection. The notice page will open containing the skip button. Click the skip button to arrive at the objective page. Likewise, remember that various visits from similar guests within 24 hours are not viewed as a visit. The payment can change based on where the users are getting traffic from. Most European and American nations have an enormous CPM than the greater part of the Asian or particularly South Asian countries. Most users fundamentally use Quick Connection and MassShrinker more frequently to abbreviate their URLs. MassShrinker is used to abbreviate numerous URLs without a moment's delay, and Quick Connection is one connection. For one URL, users are disallowed to make numerous records and visit their abbreviated connections. They will get prohibited assuming that any dubious exercises are taken note of. So make sure that all the traffic you'll generate is organic or otherwise. You might end up getting your account suspended. Going ahead, your payment will depend upon per 1,000 views and CPM upon your location. For every 10 views from the USA and other European countries, the users can acquire from $15 to $22, and likewise from other Asian nations. Users can acquire $12 to $15 every 1,000 people visiting the links. The site watches out for intermediaries and VPN utilization, so users are not allowed to utilize any of them. Furthermore, you are not allowed to make numerous records from a similar IP address. If you want to earn more, ShrinkMe also offers you a chance to allude this site to your companions and family members. You will get a 20% reference reward for each companion or family member that joins ShrinkMe through your connection. If you keep these things in mind, you'll most certainly make some profit. Once you receive your payment, you can withdraw them through different means. So let's discuss those means and their minimum payment thresholds one by one. At number 1, we have PayPal. With a minimum payment requirement of $5, it's the most popular payment method among ShrinkMe users. Number 2, Bitcoin, with a minimum payment of $20. Yes, you heard that right. ShrinkMe also supports Bitcoin payments. If you want your payments in Bitcoin, then consider opening an account through an exchange first. Next, at number 3, we have Skrill with a minimum payment requirement of $10. Square is a popular digital wallet provider and provides transaction services in many different forms. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And for more awesomeness like this, stay tuned.